Let's make some bread. We'll start out with a tablespoon of yeast and 2 cups of warm water. Next, we'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can also use honey instead if you prefer. And we'll let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes until it begins to get bubbly. Now it's ready, and we'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, a splash of oil, any oil of your choosing, and 3 cups of flour. This recipe is so easy and is so delicious that you will never go back to store-bought bread. And we'll mix it up. And then add another cup of flour. You will continue to add flour in 1/2 cup increments until it is the desired consistency. It should look like this and feel like Play-Doh. You'll know it's ready when you touch it and you have little to no dough residue on your fingers. Next, you'll let it knead for 5 to 8 minutes. You'll have it covered in a bowl in a warm spot for an hour and a half or until it has doubled in size. Time to punch it down. I love that sound. Now we'll divide it into 2 equal pieces and begin to shape it. You want to fold it in on itself until you form a nice long cylinder. Once those are ready, you'll place them in greased loaf pans. Cover those up in a warm spot and let them sit for 45 minutes or until it reaches your desired height. Time to put them in the oven. Set your oven for 350 degrees and bake them for 30 minutes. It smells so good in here. And there you have it. You just made some bread.